Gamora. I mean Allison. Today I'm going to show you my Gamora transformation. If you guys are familiar with Guardians of the Galaxy, it's one of my favorite movies, so I figured I'd transform into Gamora herself for Halloween. So if you want to save the galaxy and learn how I achieve this look, then keep on watching.
Alright, so first I'm going to take what looks like baby poop and put that on my face. It is actually a mixture of some of our Clay Pot waterproof shadow liners mixed with a tad bit of maracuja oil. I used Margarita, Camo Cool, and a hint of Goldilocks. Just buff that onto your face. And there you are, green. Now I'm going to take Margarita, which is the lighter green that I used in the mixture. Use it to highlight, so I'm going to put it on my chin, under my eyes, on my forehead, down my nose. Because that's what a green girl's got to do. Now I'm going to take the darker, this is Camo Cool, and I'm going to contour, just using a double-ended concealer brush. So it was super precise, and then I just blended it out. Looking gorgeous. Gamora just has like a super angular face, so I tried to recreate that because your girl is a round-headed woman. Alright, next I'm going to take our Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay palette, and I'm going to take the matte black shade and darken up where I put the green. So I'm just going to put it on there and then blend it together. Now I'm going back in with that Camo Cool shade. I'm going to put it all over my lips, like the green lipstick that she wears, or if it's just her lips, not sure. But now I'm going to do the brows. I'm going to take that black shade again on a small angled brush. And obviously I'm drawing way above my brows. She has like 2 lines of brows. I'm not sure if it's brows or just like, I'm just really not sure how to define the lines on her face. Now I'm going to take our Clay Pot in Silver Lining and just line that with silver. Then she has these like weird little symbols, lines, things all over her face, and I'm going to line that with the silver as well. Ooh yeah. Then she also has these lines going up on her brows, look like little chicken feet. And down her cheeks as well. Looking very galactic. Now I just went back in with that black just to create a little shadow because hers looked indented into her face. So I just wanted to create that shadow with the black. For the eyes, I'm going to take the shade Drama from our Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay palette and buff that into the crease. And obviously bringing it way higher than my normal crease and down towards my nose. Next, I'm going back in with that matte black shade called Punk, and I'm just smoking out the eye into a V, making it soups dramatic. And now I'm taking our Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in the shade Fire Dancer. Woohoo! Look at that. Now I'm going to line with our Tarte Double Take eyeliner. Just going to put that in my waterline. I just magically popped on our lashes in the style Batty. Now I'm going to do my hair, tying it back, putting a wig cap on, looking beautiful. first time with a wig cap. Okay, now I'm going to pet my wig, make sure it likes me, and then pop it on my head. Beautiful, gorgeous, love it. And that's it, an everyday look.
Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have fun on Halloween. Do something crazy. It's the one time of the year that you can. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to paint myself green and be Gamora. And here I am. So I hope you enjoyed it and happy Halloween. Okay, let's do some glamour shots.